took the time to fill in that bubble, even though it was an uncontested race, and you did not have to. So I thank anybody here who did that. I would also like to thank Carmine and Brian for throwing this and allowing us all to come here. Now, I don't want to get too in depth here. We're all trying to have fun here. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. But we've got to get blue people in office here. We got to get Democrats in office, and we got to get these MAGA wannabe authoritarians the hell out of office.
Yeah. Right.
Now, the biggest issues in the 34th district, I think, that I'm running on, the biggest issue that I see, I shouldn't say biggest, one of the biggest issues I see is the price of housing, right? So that's what I'm running on, lowering the price of housing and a tiered rent cap system, et cetera, et cetera. But, like I said, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Thank you, guys. Thank you.